Bring them to me. You come up. Okay, I see one. Just come up. Get ready. Come up. Get ready. Engage on me. 5, 4, 3,
Shina mad.
just
Like,
engage
can you
on
give me
me.
the party lead?
Ashish, okay. There you go.
Shina mad is
Qs
there.
and Ws.
Caller.
Your Qs and Ws.
Mark him.
Raise the
Anybody see
banner.
him?
Raise the banner, yeah. What the hell, bro? Come southwest. That's fine. Let's kill it.
Yeah.
Come southwest, raise the banner. Come southwest. Everybody come out of the southwest, yeah. Banner raised, okay. Tell me your cooldown. Your engage is up.
Yeah.
You get ready, engage on top of me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Come on, engage on 2. It's fine. Use and W, kill this mob.
Dismounted.
Okay, I see. Okay, they are northeast, okay? Gia take position. Spread over here. Listen, we're gonna play west side, okay? We're gonna play west side. Spread over here. I'm gonna mark their collar. Yeah, okay, food check OC, food check OC, get ready, that's an engage. Walk in east, get ready, engaging east. Keep coming east. Yeah, get ready, it's fine. Gonna shallow on the tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right on top me. Just engage on top me on this one D-tank, come back. Where's the guard? Come back. Listen, take space, reset west. Ember died. Somebody loot Ember. He's knocked. Okay, listen, speed toggle, go out and change to revive, okay? Yeah, you have to protect our Ember, okay? Just Qs and Ws, get ready on this blood letter after the soldier helmet. Come east, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, nice kid. Good job, kill him. Good job. Come back. Kite back. They're gonna look now. Come back. Spread over here. Spread. Not out. Spread, it's fine. Hold. Spread. I'm not able to see. Just spread over here. They engaged. Spread.
He'll call one.
You spread. Get ready. I'm gonna shallow east on top of me. On this 1D tank. In 5 on the gate. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me. Just on this blood. Yo, perma, nice. Good engage there. Come over here. Come back. Heal cold monk. Stay over here. Stay over and spread. Qs and Ws on the mobs while you are over here. Okay, Qs and Ws on the mobs while you are over here. Tell me your cooldown, bro. Yo, watch out. They're gonna engage. That's a bomb engage. That's really shitty bomb. Get ready. Engage on top of me. Gonna kill the mobs. Bring them to me. Bring the mobs to me. Get ready. On me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage on me. Good job. More damage. Come back now. It's fine. How many? Come up northwest. Everybody come up northwest. Okay. If aftermath comes, you're gonna walk down northwest.
Just bro, they are just red. They are red. Chill.
Okay, it's fine. They're shitters. Okay, come east.
Please royal jacket.
Guys, listen. If there are mobs inside, you kill mobs first. Okay. You see mobs southwest. Qs and Ws while you are walking around. Watch out. They're gonna look.
Somebody mark royal jacket, please.
Mark royal jacket.
I'll mark. Okay, marking royal jacket with a sword. Okay. Please.
Thanks.
Keep shouting on him. It's fine. You can. I can't. I'll give you better. Just so, yeah, fine. It's fine. The Qs and Ws on the box, bro. It's fine. You guys can still die. Watch out. They're gonna look very soon. Okay. GN1 and Arcane. You have to keep looking at them.
Okay, he just wasted.
Qs and Ws. Okay, yeah. Qs and Ws on the mobs, bro. Kill this mobs, bro. Hello. Qs and Ws on the mobs on me. Qs and Ws. Let them engage, bro. Their engage is shitty. Let them engage. You're gonna full wipe them. Just hold over and spread. You see south of me? Kill this mage. South of me, bro. Qs and Ws. Everybody, you don't have to inch up. You watch out.
Engage.
Nice. It's fine. That's bomb engage. Let the main party engage. Just stay away. Your Qs and Ws. Okay, they engage north. Keep coming up northwest. Get ready. Shallow on top of me very soon. Just stay away. Come south. It's fine. Come south. They are too in deep. We are not going deep. We are not engaging the mage. Okay, get ready. Engage on top of me on this one mob in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Kill this, bro. You guys are not able to kill the mobs, bro. Hello. Qs and Ws dropping Judy on me. Qs and Ws heals. Yeah, Qs and Ws. Kill this mobs. D-tanks keep looking northeast. Okay, Qs and Ws. Your engage timer, guys. 5 seconds. Spread over.
Ready.
Okay, spread. Get ready again on the mobs on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Even on the mobs. Okay. Once the mobs are done.
So blazing लेना चाहिए.
It's fine. Qs and Ws. Kill the mobs.
सुभाष नाम का कॉलर
Kill the mobs.
Jacket दे देना.
Okay.
Wait.
Kill the mobs,
उनका
kill the
बॉम्ब
mobs.
साउथ ईस्ट जा रहा है, उनका बॉम्ब साउथ ईस्ट जा रहा है.
Fine, come north, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest.
नाम बता बॉम्ब के बॉम्ब का.
Mighty Symphon. Mighty
Qs and
Symphon.
Ws again, Qs and Ws on this one mob. You see the mob on top me? Qs and Ws on him, Qs and Ws on this mob. on
एग्जैक्ट
this mob.
ईस्ट में खड़ा है, एग्जैक्ट ईस्ट में खड़ा है वो पीछे
fine.
में.
ठीक है.
Don't dismount the rats.
Okay, now,
Don't dismount.
fine, listen, clear comms, bro, clear comms. GA look northeast, okay? GA look northeast, you have to catch, we're gonna engage on GA. Watch out, come back, hellbank, get ready, looking northeast deep, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, full party, boy, full of party, more damage, good job. Qs and Ws, now come back down, it's fine, come back down, reset, come back down, come back down the choke and reset, come back down the choke and reset. We got 2 kills. Just hold, I have cooldown, Qs and Ws, okay, Qs and Ws, don't aggro the mage, let them inch up, bro, come west, everybody come west. Everybody come west and just spread over here. Come west and spread over here. Let them engage, bro. Why do you wanna aggro mage? You're getting good engages over here. Just stay over here. Stay west. Bait the engage, bro. Come west. Just stay over here. We're gonna engage on them, okay? After the engage, we're gonna dive in and we're gonna engage. They're gonna look for an engage anytime soon. Just stay west.
This one is
Stay west.
better on. This one is better on. This one is better on.
Fine, just stay west. Okay, get ready. Yo, nice defensive. Good job. Just stay over here. Yo, get ready. They're looking northeast. Everybody walk up northeast. Hold. Hold away. Guard rules on the choke. Let them engage. Okay, they're stopping. Get ready. Yeah? Once I'm calling for engage, I need guard rules. Okay, I'm gonna engage east.
You can
Get ready.
call for
Looking
a
east
pick,
in 5, in 4. Looking east in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. It's fine. Right on top me. Headbutt them. More damage. Now come down. It's fine. Come down. I should have been 1 second late then.
Bomb.
Yeah, it's fine. Come down. It's fine. All good. Come down. Qs and Ws, bro. Try to kidnap. Qs and Ws. See these 2 D-tanks? Qs and Ws and spread. Yo, look. Heal Bhavya. Yo, listen, you don't have to be in the center, bro. You can engage from the sides if you are ranged DPS, okay? Come west. Don't aggro the mage. Come west. Yo, watch out. That's fake. Get ready. I'm gonna look east. Just stay away. Let them engage. Your Qs and Ws, get ready. After the soldier helmet on this guy in 3, in 2, in 1 on top me. Nice, Mama. Good job. More damage. Kill that there. Now come back. It's fine. Come back. They have demons on. Get ready. They're gonna look for counter. You guys are too deep in, bro. Come southwest. That's an engage.
Bomb there.
And walk up. It's fine. Come up northeast. Get ready. Looking on top me. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big club on top me. More damage. Nice. Good job. Come back down. We got the kill. Come back down. Reset over here. Dropping Judy. Reset on me.
Okay,
On the Judy.
northwest,
See the Judy?
northwest.
Reset. Yo, reset. Just hold, huh? Kisko?
Or die. Damn.
They're coming.
Okay, right. Just hold. Watch out. That's an engage. No, that's... What's that, bro? Just get ready. Qs and Ws on this guy. Yo, after the soldier helmet. Keep coming east. On top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top me. Just engage. With the mage. More damage. Now come down. Go down. They're gonna try to counter. Come down. Everybody come down.
Back. There's a gate.
Defensive. Help venom. Come west. Northwest. It's fine. North. Go down northwest. Everybody go down northwest. Defensive. And go down northwest. It's fine. Go down northwest. Reset. We're getting third parties. Come north. On top me. Dropping Judy. Reset over here. It's fine. Reset. Just reset and everybody walk up now. Everybody reset and walk up now.
BM reset हो रहा है BM reset करके
हाँ, fine. All good. Just stay with me. Walk up. Stay with me. Walk up. Get ready. Looking east in 5. Keep coming up. Get ready. Hold. Go back. Let them engage. Okay. Bro, what the hell are these rats doing? These guys are
I told
Gucci.
you.
Let's
अबे
fight.
भाई मेरे को ये reset नहीं करना है
Okay, fine. Yeah, these some of them are Gucci. Okay, just reset over. Just stay with me. I have to check this, bro. I see some Gucci people, man.
We can
Just spread over. Spread. You guys need to regear and come, okay? Okay, I see 2 aftermath. That's it.
Bro, there
No,
was
bro,
five.
there are 7 people, bro. 7 to 10 people.
Okay, get ready. Yo, just hold, get ready. Shallow on top of me in 5. On the choke in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me, right on top of me, right on top of me. More damage. Now go back. You're gonna try to counter, go back. Try to counter, go back. Keep going back. Get defensive while you walk. Defensives. Your Judy's on top of me. Q's and W's. Now walk up east. Everybody walk up. Find me and walk up. Get ready. Looking east. On top of me. Big jump. In 5, in 4. Hold on after the GA. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Now go back. It's fine. Go back. We missed it. Keep going back. Keep going back. Down the choke, northwest. Now every red is an enemy over here, okay? Every red is an enemy. Come up. Defensive, help people. Defensive. Go down. Keep going down. It's good. Keep going down. Use defensives and keep going down. Get ready. Gonna reset over here. Down. Reset over here. Down. Stay down and reset. Get ready. Stay down and reset. Keep going west. Get ready. Gonna counter. Get ready. Countering east on top in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big club. Full party. Why this nice? Good job. Now get ready. Spread over here. Defensive. It's fine. Defensive. Keep going northwest. Defensive and keep going northwest. Listen, bro. Don't speak on top of me. Just come northwest. Keep coming northwest. Tell me your engage timer. Keep going northwest.
It's easy. It's ready, but we need heal.
Not. Come up to the bridge. It's fine. Come up to the bridge. Reset over here. Keep coming west. Now come up north. We're getting flanked, bro. We need to change position. Come up northeast. Northeast. Now we're gonna play with shallows, okay? Q's and W's on the battle mount. Okay, now listen. I need. We have a better rock, right? All might look southwest, okay? You stay southwest, okay? GA, you look southeast. Just hold over. Okay, fine.
Venom पीछे आजा लौड़े.
Venom, come back.
Venom भाई बहुत आगे हो. Yo, get ready. I'm gonna shallow southeast, okay? I'm gonna shallow. Just hold. Hold, let me fake. Just hold. I'm gonna fake. Don't engage, okay? This is fake. Don't engage. Okay, they're gonna come in. Go down. Everybody go down. Get ready. I'm gonna look. Okay, come up again. Q's and W's and come up. Get ready. Shallow on top of me. Very soon. Just hold. Spread away. Come down again. Come down northwest. We need to pull them. Come down northwest.
Regear and come, guys. Please.
You need to regear and come, okay? Spread away. Go down. Spread. Okay, spread away. Bro, clear comes. You have your Q's and W's on the battle mount, bro. It's gonna dismount. Q's and W's on the battle mount. It's fine. Hold. Once they engage, we're gonna full dive in, okay? We're gonna engage on them. Let them engage.
We need Ray.
Actually, come back northwest. See, people are dismounted southwest, right? We need to engage on them first. Come down. Rotate, everybody. Yeah, everybody come west. We're gonna rotate. Everybody come west. Come south. Come southwest. Yeah, we are out of the terry. Okay, guys, we are out of the terry. Come out of the terry. Okay, come back. Help people in the front. Yeah, reset. Yeah, help people on the front. Come back west. Get ready to turn. Engaging east in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. 2 people. Kill this. Don't let them run. Q's and W's. Full lead them. Eat them up. Kill them. Keep killing them. Okay, now come back. We killed them. Come back. Keep coming back. Come west. Just punish people who are extending, bro. Come back. Come up north. That's an engage. Defensive. Come south. Everybody come south. South. That's an aftermath full party. Come up north. North.
Can engage them, no?
No. I haven't seen the party, bro. Come north. Find me. Yeah, I know. You guys find me. Hello, find me. Keep coming west now. Keep coming west. Find me and keep coming west. Keep coming west. Yeah, we have to wipe one party. Okay, yeah, keep coming east. Yeah, it's fine. You're gonna catch few of them. Keep coming east. Get ready. Keep coming east. Okay. Just stay over. Don't go up. Watch out. Just stay over.
You'll again engage from back.
Yeah, it's fine. Come west back. Come back west. You come back west. I'm gonna call for shallow very soon, okay? Come back west, come up north.
वो लोग after में engage करने के बाद उसके ऊपर engage कर लो. उधर तो चल
मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था एग्जैक्टली कितने थे. इनकी पार्टी भी बड़ी
They
है.
have a party. They have a party.
Yeah, exactly. It's like
They have a
10,
single.
more than 10 players. Okay.
मैंने कहा था
Okay,
तेरे
stay
को,
over
try
here.
करेंगे.
Stay over here. Stay over here. Get ready. I'm gonna do shallow southeast. Okay, one tank dive in and set up. Get ready. Walk up southeast. Everybody engage on top of me. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Just engage and go back. Go back. It's fine. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Don't take time. Go back. Go back. Go back. And walk up northeast. 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 Okay, northeast. Listen, if there's people coming from southwest, we're gonna kite first northwest, then northeast. Okay, that's the idea. Hold. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yo, come up southeast, come up southeast, walk up southeast, get ready, engaging east in 5, 4, on top of me, in 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me, just engage on top of me, more damage, good job, go back now, go back, go back, no, just hold over here, actually, hold over here, aftermath is looking,
Hold on, move.
just hold over here, tell me your engage cooldown,
ऑलमाइट तुम आफ्टर में देखो आफ्टर में देखो
Okay, watch out, defensive, get ready, they're gonna look, get ready, looking southeast, absorb this, engage on top of me, 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, on top of me, full party, big clump, more damage, go back, it's fine, go back down, DPS goes down, keep going back down, keep going back northwest, you guys need to kite fast, yo, fine, defensive, get ready, defensive, dropping Judy on top of me, walk up northwest, keep walking northwest, get ready, engaging on top of me, northwest, in 5, keep walking up, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me, big clump, more damage, yeah, keep rolling them, full push northwest, yo, watch out, they're gonna look on the choke, defensives on the choke, D-tanks you have to pass, yo, watch out, they're gonna look, keep walking up and get ready, keep walking up, keep walking up, yeah, it's fine, keep walking up, northwest,
Blood
keep killing
relator,
players, bro,
blood
keep killing
relator.
players who are low, keep pushing them, I need some more stoppages, get this healer, engage on this healer, in 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me, just engage on top of me, you have 3 players, keep killing, kill the demon, bro, keep pushing them, keep looting and keep pushing them, don't let them run.
Heels on the back.
Fucking rats, bro. Yo, help the player who are low.
Let's come back.
Okay, come back south. Everybody come back south. You kill that one guy. Yeah, kill that one guy and come south. Yeah, kill that one guy and come south. Come south. Keep coming south. Yo, get this bloodletter on top of me. Keep coming south.
टमाटर मेरे को पार्टी लीड दे पार्टी बुला मेरे को टमाटर
Bhai, yo, hold over here. Yeah, it's fine. Hold over here. Tomato, go and fake fast. Keep walking southeast. Everybody keep walking southeast. Tomato, go and fake. Keep walking southeast. Get ready, looking on the bridge. In 5, in 4, on the bridge, out of the bridge. In 3, in 2, in 1, right on top of me. Just engage on top of me. More damage. Okay. Hold, spread over. Defensive. Defensive, and heals, dropping Judy on top of me. Judy on the choke, heals on the choke. Keep going northwest and get ready. You're gonna look on the bridge. Get ready. Keep going up the choke and get ready. Looking on the bridge in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me, on the bridge. Wipe them. More damage. Keep going northwest. Then keep going northwest. Keep going northwest. Keep kiting northwest. Keep going northwest. Keep going northwest. Don't look. Keep going northwest.
when I'm
It's fine. Come south now. Come south. Keep coming south. You get ready on the bridge in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Big clump. More damage. Come on, wipe this, bro. Okay. Yo, go back. Defensive. Yo, need to heal. Yeah, we need to heal. Keep going back. Heal C Magnum. Keep going back. Defensives and keep going back. Okay, defensives and keep going back. Bro, don't leave the party. Help your players. Heal me, bro. Heal me on the choke. I'm gonna die after this. Keep coming up. Dropping Judy on top of me. Heals on the Judy. Find the Judy and heal. Yo, just get ready. Engage on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Wipe them over here. That's full party, bro. Wipe them. More damage. Yo, full push them. Yeah, it's fine. Now, yeah, just keep pushing and kite up northwest.
You still have me, okay? Chill. Just come back. Just come back northwest. Stabilize there. Chill. Just stabilize there. Guys, help me. Heal me, guys. Def.
do we have heals?
Come northeast. Need heals. Northeast. Find a shield. Find a shield there. Regroup there. Find a shield there. Chill. Find a shield there. Need heals. Do you have a healer alive or no? Do you have healer? Hello healers, thank you.
अबे वो मेरे को हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी
We are waiting for the bro.
Yo, help Ankyo.
Look on the ground. TPS. Find a shield. Chill. Hello, DPS. On the shield in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the shield, guys. On the shield, on the shield, on the shield, on the shield.
Yo, help Ankyo, is battle mount.
Bro, we still have 20 players.
I don't see.
Bro, you're not marked in our party, Tomato. You're not marked in our
गाइस
party.
स्पीड टगलू कोई म्यूट करो ना
You are, bro. You are.
Okay, just regroup. Tomato, try to regroup.
भाई गया ब्रो क्या डीपीसी नहीं है मेरा माना भी नहीं है मैं कुछ भी हील नहीं कर सकता मैं माउंट अप कर रहा हूँ
ठीक है, just regroup and run.
Bro, we still had, we still had 20
Healer सब मर गया
when he died. When he died, we still had 20, bro. I swear. I saw a D.
अरे
It's fine. Just spread and we gonna regroup. Bro. What the fuck is aftermath
heal
doing?
नहीं आ
Right?
रहा है reset ही नहीं
भाई,
हो रहा है
बोला था
भाई,
मेरे को पहले से
Yo, help Ankyo, bro. Help Ankyo. Somebody mark Ankyo.
I'm
Is it
coming,
party
I'm
two?
coming.
ऑल माइट इधर पिंग कैन यू सी माय पिंग
Yeah,
मैं नहीं
yeah.
जा रहा हूँ हलाल ठीक है मैं नहीं जा रहा
ना चलो भाई.
हूँ ना भाई
रीगर कर भाई
अरे चलो last rig.
I will go pump. I will go pump.
मैं सिल्वर वेस्ट हो रहा है
I will go pump up, bro. I will go pump up.
Okay, fine. You go Parma. Then Real go some D-tank.
Help Ankyo.
Bro, just leave him, bro. Just leave him.
भाई लीव ओके
नहीं, don't leave Ankyo, bro. He's battle out. Help Ankyo.
Not Ankyo.
Yeah,
Not Ankyo. Not Ankyo.
the guild attack in Mudfoot some Glen was not successful
नाइस
We just have 10 minutes. We have to pick the banner. We don't have much time.
Okay, listen. If you have died, regear and just take invis. What, you died? Ankyo died?
और क्या भाई कोई आ ही नहीं रहा तो मैं क्या ही कर लूंगा अकेला
Ping कर रहे थे तो अभी भी नहीं आया कोई.
तो नहीं ना
Bro, everyone died.
ब्रो सब डाइड ब्रो क्या बोल रहा है सब एचपी खत्म हो गया कोई भी डीपीएस
टॉगल आजा
तो ठीक है, then let him run. बस यही करना है. Help him to run.
टॉगल
It's fine. Regear and come.
भाई
टॉगल
मैं रीगियर कैसे करूं
ना अंकियो तुम नहीं, तुम कुछ और रोल ले आओ. D-tank ले आओ. I'm over here only.
मैंने
रन करने
यहाँ
के
तो
लिए
इतने
भी
लोग
बॉडी
तो हैं
हील
यार.
करने के लिए कोई नहीं थे
मैं उसी
हील करने के लिए भी कोई
भाई
नहीं
कितने लोग कॉम्स में बोलते हो यार. I need few players to speak. Why is everybody shouting?
भाई ऑल माइट और ये क्यों मर रहा है मेघानंदा
तो पकड़ लिया वो लोग माउंट नहीं हुआ वो लोग फिर डिसमाउंट कर दिया उनको माउंट करने के बाद तो भाई
नहीं, मैं
तो
Ankyo को मदद करने गया भाई, कोई नहीं आया लिटरली भाई. Fucking बैटल 130 मिलियन का है भाई.
He was tier 6, right? He was tier 6. चलो.
कोई मैंने 7 मिनट कर दिया आजा
बेडरॉक
जल्दी
D1 भाई मेरा कितना ही होगा. बेडरॉक D1 ओनली 1.5 मिलियन, 30 मिलियन का है.
तो
Let's bro, let's
हलाल बैनर डिस्ट्रॉयड नहीं हुआ है जल्दी आ मैंने बैनर
मैं यहीं पे हूँ. I'm still here. But the thing is, I need my party here. Regroup on me. Don't leave the party. Yeah, we need all the players.
वो आ रहे हैं बैनर पे आ रहे हैं 2 मिनट कर रहे हैं बैनर पे
Break your invis.
तुमको पहले वो
You watch out. Banner पे लोग हैं. Don't go to the banner.
बैनर पे बहुत ज्यादा लोग हैं पीछे हटो
Just come east. Come find me on the ping. एक और ब्लॉक कौन सा है यार?
अपनी पार्टी
Yo, if you guys are here, break the invis, please.
Is it so hard for like one D-tank to watch the aftermath and one D-tank to watch the bomb?
हाँ ब्रो
The bomb legit
Hardy है.
kills everything. There's not like you
Siege boss है वाइप हो गए तुम.
मैं भी
पार्टी लीड दे
अभी रुक जा. Come to the banner. Food check है उसी.
टमाटर पार्टी
Come
लीड
to
दे
the
भाई
banner.
बम मार
Come to the banner. Yo, come south. Get ready. Down the choke. In 5, engage on top me. In 4, in 3, yo, in 2, in 1, just shallow on top me. Okay, fine. Just come down the choke. Yo, watch out. They're gonna engage. Defensive, bro. Heals. Keep healing, bro. How the hell, bro? Defensive, hello. First engage, you can't die, bro. You have gigas and everything. How are you dying on first engage? Come up northeast. Northeast. Find me northeast. Yeah, just pick up the banner. Yeah, we have the banner. Good job. Just stay, okay. Regroup. People who died, come regear and come fast, bro. If you died. Just hold.
I marked there you know okay
ए किल दिस फक
Yeah, Q's and W's get.
इधर healer
You get ready, shallow on top me in 3, 2, 1. Just shallow on top me.
Don't engage on him, bro. He's AFK.
It's fine. Your Q's and W. See the battle mount is going down. Okay, now come back. They're looking. Just come back.
Come back where?
Find me. Just find me, bro. You see the marker?
अबे वेनम पीछे है
Go on, people
Oh, Venom.
behind me.
हां हां
Come south now. Come south. Hold. Come south and hold. Yeah, just hold over. Just hold over. Hold. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Qs and Ws, bro. See this battleground is going down. Get ready. Gonna engage on the battleground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage on the battleground. Engage on the battleground. Kill this guy. Kill this retard, bro. Kill this. Don't let him run. Keep killing him. Chase him. Full chase him.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna pull him up. Yeah, just kill him, man. What the fuck is he doing? Thank you.
Aftermath is coming.
Yeah, it's fine. Come east. Everybody come east. Where's they coming from?
I looted the entered now.
Okay, food check OC. Oh my god, these guys are so retarded. Yo, where are you? Make another real and talk, bro. I need you guys.
Can you
I'm
clear these
Thomas.
mobs, please?
I'm here. They're in here.
Break. Okay. Break in this. Can you ping again where they are?
No.
They're here.
Okay. You have to catch them first.
It's fine.
Okay.
Just dedicate one G10 for them. Dedicate one G8.
They're on
Okay,
me. They're on me.
Ashish, you stay northeast, okay? You stay northeast.
Okay. I will
They're on me.
Okay, over there. Ashish stays on aftermath, okay? GA come southwest. Yo, find me over here. Qs and Ws on this battleground. Qs and Ws on this battleground. It's fine, just stay in the back line. It's fine, just stay on the back line. I'm gonna fake, okay? Just stay here. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. It's fine, just stay. You let them come, I'm gonna shallow. Yeah. Qs and Ws, just stay over here. Let them inch up. I'm gonna shallow on one tank, okay?
They won't inch up.
It's fine.
Halal.
I can't do myself.
Scavengers behind us.
Actually, come back. Yeah, fine. Come back west. Everybody walk west together. Come up northwest. Come out of the Terry range. Come up northwest. You're gonna go back to the same place where we were attacking. Now come south. Don't try to aggro the mob. Keep coming south. Yeah, Ashish, you keep following us. Keep coming south. I don't see aftermath. There's another blob. Ashish, can you check this blob? Check this blob northeast.
Aftermath. This aftermath only, bro.
How many can you check?
Aftermath
They
is
have a
on,
DA?
not.
They have a DA? No, they don't have a DA. Okay, listen now. Everybody come up west. Come up west. Get ready. You're gonna look north. Looking north. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on this guy. Kill him. Fine. Just kill him. Spread over here. We have to wipe aftermath first. Okay, we play shallow. We can't commit. Okay, Ashish, stay on aftermath. Okay, now find me south. Keep coming south. It's fine. Keep coming south. Now keep coming south. Keep coming south. Leave. Keep coming south. Yo, find me. Keep me on your screen. I know, bro. Keep me on your screen. Fine. Keep coming southeast. You saw the place where we were entering. Come back.
They're coming.
Yeah, it's fine. Just hold over. Aftermath, right? Come back northwest. Northwest. D-tank take position.
Aftermath is not east.
Are they dismounted? When they're dismounted, tell me, okay?
No, they are not dismounted.
Okay, fine. Everybody get ready. I'm looking southeast. Get ready. Looking southeast. Engaging southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Kill this. Now go back. Kill this one. Go back now. They're gonna look for an engage. Come back. Keep coming back. It's fine. Keep coming back. We're kiting west. Defensive on the siege bow. Good defensive. Now walk up. Yo, hold. Just spread over here. Yo, heal ember. Keep going west. Defensive, bro. Defensive. Hello. Get ready. Countering southeast in 5. On top me in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Full party. More damage. Nice. Good job. Good shit, man. Good shit. Yo, loot and keep pushing.
Don't stand there.
I need heals.
Keep coming west.
Guys, kill this tank.
Listen. Clear comms, come west. Keep coming west. Leave everything. Keep coming west. Regroup. There's another party dismounted. Keep coming west. Everybody west. Get ready. They're gonna look for an engage. Keep coming west. Keep coming south now. South. We're gonna. Okay, they're trying to sandwich. Everybody full circle south. Keep coming south. You're gonna change direction. Keep coming south. Keep your ember died. Loot ember, and keep coming south. South. Yo, guys, don't loot everybody. Hello. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Find me south. Get ready. I'm gonna engage west on aftermath in 5. Yo, keep coming south. It's fine. Try to stop them. If you can catch them, it's even better.
Bro.
You're on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this one aftermath there. Kill this. This route. No. Just stay away and spread. It's fine. Keep coming east. Keep coming east. Ashish, aftermath पे रे भाई calls तो दे. वो change कर दिया direction. Okay, they're south. Okay, keep coming east. Stay here. Stay, it's a bad angle actually. Now come back up northwest. Come back up northwest. Aftermath guy. Yo, heal.
Aftermath is on northeast.
Yo, watch out. It's fine. They're engaging. It's fine. Absorb. Get ready. Looking southeast deep in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Full party. More damage. Drop them down. Drop the damage, bro. What the hell? Now go back. Everybody go back. Defensives and go back. Dropping Judy on top of me. Heals and go back. Heal at him. Keep going up northeast now. Heals and northeast. Keep walking up. It's fine. Qs and doubles and keep walking up.
You can kill this.
Keep walking up north. It's fine. Keep walking up north. We are good. Get ready. Shallow on this one tag. Guy in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on me after the soldier helmet.
Guys, I need heal.
Yeah, it's fine. Heals. Keep going east. Don't dismount people. If they are mounted, don't dismount them. Keep coming
Aftermath
northeast.
engage warriors.
It's fine.
Aftermath
Good.
engage warriors.
Keep going northeast. That's good. We're gonna engage from southeast now. Look at me. Get ready. Come up southeast. Yo, fine. Come up southeast. Get ready. Engaging on top of me. On the bomb. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. That's a bomb. That's a full bomb. More damage. Kill this, bro. What the hell? DPS is lagging. Go down now. Go down fast. Go down. Everybody go down. Keep going down. Bro, DPS should be fast. That was full bomb party, bro. We could have wiped full bomb party. Now spread away. Gonna engage again.
Guys, people coming from behind. They are in
Northeast. Yeah, keep going northeast, bro. That's southwest. Keep going northeast. Hello.
Northeast.
You guys are directionally challenged over.
You're northeast.
It's fine. Now it's good. Just spread
ओए असगर लूट लिया बाद में वहां चल.
Bro, just stay away. Now come south again. Catch you. If you see any aftermath there, you can catch. Okay. Okay. Ashish, stay on aftermath. They are waiting for us to engage and they're gonna dismount. Okay. Keep coming northeast. Northeast. It's fine. Keep coming northeast. Spread away. It's fine. Spread.
Half of the party spread, by the way. You know, half of them are
Just spread. It's fine, man. Yeah, full spread. Okay, gonna do shallow. Listen, we're gonna do shallow. Even if we don't kill, we're gonna kite. Okay. Again, we're gonna kite northeast. Just stay here. Okay, get ready. Shallow on top of me in 5.
I don't see
3,
aftermath
2,
anymore.
1 on top. Me just on top. Me engage on top. Go back now. Go back. It's fine. Engage. Fail. Go back. Keep going back. You're gonna kite northeast. Down the choke. Northeast. Defensive. Keep going northeast. Judy is over there. Heals on the Judy. Keep going northeast, bro. Down, northwest, and then northeast.
Heel road.
Down. Heel road. Bro, you have to cancel demon, bro. If you are no, you have to cancel demon. Qs and Ws. Okay, everybody keep coming southwest. Kill this bloodletter. Yeah, get ready on this bloodletter in 3, in 2, in 1 on top of me. Just engage on this guy. After the cleric, Qs and Ws, full brawl him. Yeah, it's fine. Full brawl him. Kill him. Full brawl him. Don't let him run. Full brawl.
The aftermath is dismounted.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what.
Yeah, keep coming up. It's fine. Keep pushing northwest. Keep pushing northwest. It's, yeah, it's fine. Keep going northwest. West over here. Keep walking up. Demon, can you set up? Keep coming up. South. Bro, don't let them mount up, okay? Yo, if you are
ओए हलाल मैंने ड्रॉप हो जाएगा हलाल.
They're coming.
Come back. Yeah, it's fine. Come back.
Warriors is coming. Okay.
It's fine. Go back. Take the banner.
They're coming here. Move.
It's fine. Find me. Yo, listen, guys. Find me on the ping. It's fine. Go back where they're coming from. Get ready. Looking east. Get ready. You have to absorb once, okay? Get ready. After this, absorb. Everybody full dive in southeast. Big clump in 5. After this, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Full white kills, bro. More damage. Full push them east. Keep going east. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Qs and Ws while you're walking. Qs and Ws. 8 seconds, I'm gonna engage. Keep coming east. Hold them. D-tanks try to hold them on the choke. I'm not ready. Get ready. Looking southeast in 5, in 4, right on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Full top. Full engage on top of me. More damage. Good job. Full run through them. Just keep running through them. Don't let them run, bro. Remind them of 71, bro. Keep going east. Get ready. Qs and Ws. Keep now. Hold away. Everybody hold away. Try to kill people who are inside you. Take
this healer.
Yo, kill this one. Get ready. Engaging. Yeah, it's fine. Keep coming east. Engage on top of me. On the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. With whatever you have, just engage. Engage on the choke. More damage. Okay, now reset over here on top of me. Yo, somebody find aftermath. Ashish, go and find aftermath. Reset,
Okay.
reset on me,
I'm on
reset on me, reset on me, reset on me. That's how you do it, bro.
They
That's
are
how you
here
do it.
actually. They are here.
Yeah,
They
I
are
see
here,
southwest, bro.
on the
Okay,
west
come
side.
up west, come up west. Come down west, come down west, come down west.
Guys, we
Q's
just
and W's on the
20
battle
minutes
mount.
left,
Just
Yeah,
take
Q's and
their
W's.
Terry, bro. Right now.
Bro, I can't dive in, bro. If aftermath is behind us,
They're
it's
here,
gonna be
they're
problem.
here.
Yeah,
They're
just
here.
don't worry. Just do. Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Bro. They will just
P-Talk, you have to
Just
come with me.
go.
I need healers.
It's
Okay.
like 20
Let them
minutes.
again. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay. We're gonna bait and engage, and we're gonna dive in east. Just hold over here. 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 Hold. Spread over here. Spread. Yo, come back. Don't aggro the mage. Okay, listen. How we gonna do this? Okay. We're gonna do is we're gonna use shoes. We're gonna engage on the mage. If we get players, we're gonna kill them. Otherwise, just engage, drop damage on the mage, and we come back. Okay. We're gonna keep cycling it until we'll kill the mage. Okay. Just stay over here. Just stay over here. Stay back. Only D-tanks will inch up. Rest of you stay back. You're gonna use your shoes for engage. Okay. Get ready. I'm gonna look east. Just come back. Don't aggro the mage, bro. Don't aggro the mage. Don't aggro the mage. Get ready on the shaper in 3, in 2, in 1. Just on the shaper. Nice perma, bro. Good job. Okay. Q's and W's. Yeah, just. It's fine. Just stay over here. My engage is not up right now. Okay. I need 10
Bro, they are
seconds.
regearing and you are letting them regear. By the way, there's a lot.
I can't push in, bro. If I have aftermath behind me, I can't push in. Ashish, okay. Do we have
Yeah, I'm
bedrock?
on them, bro.
Yeah, we have bedrock, but no. Okay, listen. Cold Monk, you stay southwest. Okay, you can stop them. You can only. Ashish can only silence.
No more bomb squad. The bomb squad left.
Okay, fine. You hold. Let them engage once, and we walk in deep. Okay. Just hold over.
They are not trying to-
Hold over. Yeah, get ready. Okay, keep coming up. Walk up a bit. Get ready. Looking deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Now go back. Keep going back. Now keep going back. Keep going back. Heal the front line. Help the front line and keep going back. Help the front line. Good defensives, bro. Good defenses. Come down. Everybody come down.
Engage on me, okay,
Come
they
down.
go,
It's fine. Now come up east. Tell me your engage cooldown. Get ready. Get ready. I'm looking east, deep east in 5. On top me. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage. Kill this one guy. Keep going back. Yeah, I know. Dropping Judy. Keep going back through the Judy. Good job. Keep going back. Keep your defensives or kiting back. Okay, keep going back.
Trailblazer. This guy is
Northwest.
taking our guy.
Yo, Venom, heal, come down. Stay northwest. Spread over here. Aftermath is still not there, right? Okay, it's good. Just stay over here. Get ready. I'm gonna look east again, okay? I'm gonna fake this time. This is fake. Okay, this is fake.
Oh, come back, Baka, Bakashi, and
This
everybody.
is fake. Now they're gonna try to engage. Hold on. Let them try to engage. We're gonna counter. Come back west, bro. De-aggro the mage. Yeah, I think they left. Okay, get ready. Looking east. Get ready. Big engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top. Full party. More damage. Fight them. Nice. Good stuff. Good job. Now go back again. Mage is still there. Go back. Keep going back. Dropping Judy while you pass. Dropping Judy on top. Keep going down. Keep going down west. Keep going down west.
I need help.
Reset over here. Tell me your cooldowns. Your heal Ashish. Get ready. Turn back east. Everybody turn back east and get ready on top. In 3 people in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top. Kill this one guy. Okay, it's fine. Just reset.
One guy got kidnapped actually. Atom kidnapped one.
It's fine. Tell me your cooldown, bro. Just keep
Aftermath is dismounted on southwest. Aftermath is
Okay.
dismounted on
Yeah,
southwest.
after
Okay, come northwest. Everybody northwest. Keep. It's fine. You GA them. It's fine.
They're not
That's for
coming.
stoppage. Come northwest. Find me, bro. Find me northwest. Even warrior is crouching up.
This
How many?
southwest.
It's a full party or what?
Yeah, it's a full party. It's a full party, I guess.
Okay.
But yeah.
Come back.
No,
down
but they don't
northwest.
have a DA. They don't have a DA. Like 10 to 12 people, I
They
guess.
call it
Okay, you're watching. Okay, Cold Monk. Let Cold Monk. Yeah. Okay, Cold Monk will do. Okay, Venom, you have to set up. Okay, watch out. They're gonna engage. Gonna look east very soon. Let them engage, bro. Then we're gonna full dive in. Okay. Let them engage. I'm gonna fake. Okay, they don't engage. This is fake.
Cold Monk, you are watching bomb, right?
This is fake. Okay, this is fake.
Aftermath.
Okay.
Okay.
This is fake. Come down. Don't hold near the choke. Don't give them clump near the choke, bro. Okay. Probably gonna pull shallow. Get ready. I'm looking northeast shallow on top of me. Here, hold. Okay, engage in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Just on this one guy. Come back now. Come back. It's fine. Come back. Down the choke. Down the choke. Don't give them clump. Down the choke, down the choke, down the choke. Defensive, 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 defensive. Judy's on top of you. Heals on Judy, heals in
They have a
Judy,
bomb,
heals in
bro.
Judy.
They have a bomb,
Healed in Judy. Yeah, get ready. Walk a piece, walk a piece, walk a piece. Get ready. On top of me in 5. Full party. 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clump, big clump, big
Cool
clump.
down,
More
no
damage.
cool down.
Guys, okay,
No cool down.
okay, fine.
No cool down, bro.
Fine, fine, fine. Calm down, calm down.
They wasted their defensive go. They wasted their
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, but I use
They wasted it. Tomato,
Yo,
can we
engages. Call for
can
yo,
engage
your
on W, you
engages
can
up.
engage on W.
Yeah, get ready on top of me in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on me. Bro, what the hell? Come down. Come down. Qs and Ws, Qs and Ws, Qs and Ws. You see this one guy inside? Yo, watch out. Defensives.
They're coming.
Defensive, that's an engage. Defensive, 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 defensive. Walk a piece, walk a piece, walk a piece, walk a piece. Your engages up. Engages up.
7 seconds, bro. 7 seconds.
Okay, fine. Just Qs and Ws. It's fine. Just let them engage.
Come back.
Bomb coming,
Yo,
bomb.
watch out, defensive, 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 defensive. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Keep going up north, keep going up northwest, keep going up west, keep going up west, keep going up west, bro. We have to bait one engage, bro. To bait one engage. Okay, hold. Just hold, just hold. Yeah, fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let them. Yo, get ready. Defensive, 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 defensive. Get ready. Looking east in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me, right on top me, right on top me, right on top me. More damage, more damage, more damage. Kill at least one. Kill at least one. Now go back, go back. Heal bank, heal bank, heal bank, heal bank, heal bank. Yo, keep going northwest, keep going northwest, keep going northwest. This is a bad choke, this is a bad choke. Heal Ashish, heal Ashish, heal Ashish. Okay, it's fine. Qs and Ws. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
I killed that squad. I killed that squad.
Okay, good job, good job, good job. Just stay away and find me. Stay away and find me. Get ready, I'm gonna look east. Get ready, I'm gonna look east. Get ready, looking east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me with whatever you have. On top of me, more damage, bro. Almost. Now go back. Everybody go back. Everybody go back. You're defensive, and go back. Giga and everything. And keep coming down. Heals and keep coming down. Heal Venom. Get ready. Gonna look east very soon. Keep coming down. Get ready. On the choke east in 5. After the demon. After the demon. Okay, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Just on top of me. Kill this demon. Kill this guy. Kill these 2 guys. Bro, what the hell? Hello. More damage. They're still there. Now watch out. They're gonna engage. Now watch out. Bro, why is the DPS so slow? Hello? Qs and Ws. They're running with 10% HP. Just stay away. Stay away. Yeah, watch out. Get ready. Defensive. Walk a piece. Engage on top in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Bro, that's full party. More damage. Now go back. Keep going back. I got stuck. Keep going back. Loot.
Need mana.
Keep going back. It's fine. Keep coming down northwest. Keep going back and down northwest. Keep going back down northwest. It's fine. Yo, watch out. Defensive and keep going down. They can't reach you. Keep going down. It's fine. We're gonna reset mana. Keep going down northwest. Yeah, find me.
Guys, just
Reset
16
over here.
minutes left.
It's enough, bro. It's enough. Yeah. Okay, fine. Come with me. Just stay here. Their bomb is also wiped, okay? Yeah, I need some setup, bro. Okay, just hold. We have to absorb once, okay? Once they're engaging, right? Get ready to engage, okay? You have to. You just have to understand that we have to engage after they are engaging. Just hold. If you see Gucci setup, then it's fine. Otherwise, hold. You save it for their engage. You watch out. They're gonna engage. Hold. Yeah, come a piece. Everybody come a piece. Get ready on top in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top. Big clump. More damage, guys. More damage. Hello. Come back now. Everybody come back. Now we can't push. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Yo, kill this D-tank, bro. Wanna kidnap him. Qs and Ws on this D-tank. Yo. Keep killing. He's still here. Okay, engage ready. Just over here. Hold over here. Spread. No, I can't. Hold.
Halal.
Engage is ready.
Engage up from the stairs. Come from this side. Hit from this side.
Careful.
Get DPS most.
No, there's mage over there. Come down south. South. I can't aggro the mage. Hold on. They're gonna engage, okay? Once they engage, we have to dive in deep. Get ready. We can also headbutt, okay? Defenses get ready anytime. Hold. They're gonna look for an engage now. Just hold over here. D-tanks, you can take space north also, okay? Up and north. Hold on. Let them engage. Okay, I'm gonna fake, okay? This is fake. Keep going back. Yeah, mage is aggro. De-aggro the mage. Who has the mage, bro? Go back and de-aggro the mage.
Move.
Keep going down and reset. Okay, now we have to do shallows, okay? They are not inching up. They know their shit. Okay, just hold. Get ready. Shallow on top of me. East in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, just on top me, 3. That's a good clump, bro. Just kill, more damage. Come back now, come back. Everybody come down. Dropping Judy, heals on Judy, and get ready. They're gonna engage over here. Nice stoppage. Keep coming down, 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 and get ready to counter. Keep coming down and get ready to counter. Get ready, looking southeast. After this engage on top in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, with whatever you have. It's fine, with whatever you have, with whatever you have. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Now come down again, come down again, come down again. How many seconds was it? Keep coming down, keep coming down, down, bro, down. Down.
2 seconds, bro. 2 seconds.
Okay, fine. Keep coming down, keep coming down.
हलाल
I think we'll have to attack the mage, yeah. Where's mage? Mage बहुत east में यार.
हाँ तो इससे
Okay.
ले लेते हैं ना
Clumping so much near the stairs.
Exactly.
So
You guys have to use your shoes wisely, yeah? Okay, fine. Get ready. Gonna engage on the mage, okay? Just stay over here. Stay
4
over here.
seconds,
Stay
5
over here.
seconds.
Yeah. Okay, save all your defenses for kiting, okay? Listen, save all your defenses for kiting. Heal offender, okay? Heal offender. Get ready. Just drop damage on the mage. It's 3, in 2, in 1 on the mage, on the mage, on the mage, on the mage, on the mage. But that's good quality. More damage, more damage.
Heal,
Now go back. Heal Venom. Heal Venom and keep going back. Dropping Judy while we are passing. Keep healing. There's Judy on the path. Keep healing. Now stay over here. They're gonna look for an engage, okay? 5 seconds, I'm gonna engage again. Get ready. I'm looking on the mage. Get ready. In 5 seconds, okay? Engaging on the mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. More damage. Good job. Full farm them, bro. Full farm them. Now come back again. Same thing. Keep repeating. Come back again.
I need
Same
heals,
thing.
guys. I need heals.
Yo, heal tomato. Heal tomato.
Magnum on kyo.
Keep coming back. Yo, the mage is aggroed, bro. Come back. Reset the mage. Venom, bro. You're extending.
Can you engage on the south side?
engage is ready.
Okay, fine. Just hold. I'm gonna fake. Listen, I'm gonna fake, okay? Don't engage. I'm gonna fake. This is fake, okay? This is fake. Now get ready. I'm gonna engage very, very soon. Yeah, sorry. South, bro, I can't. There's mage. Yeah,
No,
just
there
hold.
is, like, you know,
I'm gonna.
One Horfrost is, like, it is beating the fucking...
Engage is ready, Halal. Engage is ready.
Okay, just hold. I know. Just hold. Get ready. Engage on the mage in 3, in 2, in 1. Just on the mage, and come back. Now, come back. It's fine. Come back. Just drop damage on the mage and come back. Come back. Top me. There's Judy on top me. Reset. It's fine. You see this guy? Qs and Ws. You see this guy? Qs and Ws. Oh my God, bro, I'm getting a call.
Engage ready. 10 seconds, okay? We need to declare.
Qs and Ws.
Yeah,
Just
we
hold
have to
over. Give me 2 seconds. Defensives, get ready.
Hello, did I raise the hand?
Damage.
I got
They're
four.
coming.
Okay, I got 4 missed calls. Just hold over. Just hold.
Yeah, the box
Get ready. I'm gonna shallow east. Get ready. Shallow east on the mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top. You're top. Me. Wipe them. Good job. Now go back again. Full kite them. Full kite. Keep coming back. Heals on me. Keep coming down. Judy on top me. Keep going down. So listen, bro. They are heal people. Heal C Magnum. Heal people. Get ready. Counter on the stairs. On top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just counter on top me. Now go back. It's fine. Just hold your engage. Use and
But is there bomb shot back?
reset. Hold tight.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, they're doing.
5 people, okay? Chill.
Okay. Yo, listen, we're gonna change the direction, okay? Come southwest, everybody. Come southwest. Gonna go up northeast now. Okay, get ready. Everybody get ready. Engaging northeast in 5. Use your shoes in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. More damage. Now go down. Keep going down. Down. Keep people and keep going down. Dropping Judy. Keep coming down through Judy. Bro, how are we losing people, bro? You guys are ranged. Hello, Asghar. Keep coming east.
Out हो गया भाई.
Bomb squad is dead.
Knockout.
It's fine. We're gonna walk up now. Get ready. Keep coming up east. Engage on top in 5, 3, 2, 1. Just on top me.
Aftermath from behind.
Okay. Come down. Find me. It's fine. Keep coming. Yo, heal people east, bro. Heal people east. Don't leave your party. Heal people east. Find me. Reset. You guys are good. We are good as long as we are together. Where people coming from?
The bomb squad is dead.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now come south. Everybody come south. Gonna go up northwest now. Find me. I'm gonna fake. Okay, don't engage. This is fake. Now, keep kiting back. Let them inch up. Keep kiting back. Keep kiting back. Keep kiting back. Keep kiting back. We need to take out their D tanks. Keep kiting back. Keep kiting back. Keep kiting back. Get ready. Looking southeast. You just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Again, engage on the mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage on the mage. Engage on the mage. That's a big club, bro. Good job. Good job. Good shit. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Qs and Ws. Qs and Ws and keep going back. Yo, leash the mage. Leash the mage. Leash the mage and come back again. Leash the mage. Leash the mage. Leash the mage. Leash the mage. Leash, 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 leash and reset. Leash, leash, bro. It's still not reached. Okay, we hold. Don't attack, okay? Just loot. Don't attack, just loot. You see how many people we are farming, okay? Fuck, that's our dead body. Okay, anyways, just over. Come back east. Come back west. I'm gonna look on the mage again, okay? Keep coming down. Get ready. Looking on the mage. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. More damage. Kill this guy. Now go back. It's fine. Go back. Yo, don't get cocky, okay? Don't get cocky. I'm out of my defenses. Keep going down.
Backline, energy shaper backline.
Okay, keep coming down. Qs and Ws. Hold your defenses. Qs and Ws. Sucker, can you change on artillery, bro? I need PvE damage. Get ready. I'm gonna look east again.
I'm on artillery.
Okay, good job. Just get ready. Yo, look at this D tank shallow. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Just on top me. Kill this one. Kill this D tank. Kill this. Good job. Come down. Keep coming down, bro. That guy's mad, dude. Sorry?
Halal, 7 minutes left, 8 minutes left actually. You need to do it.
Yeah, bro.
If you need to
Yeah, it's fine. We have enough. Keep looting players, okay? They have mad loot. Keep coming west. Now get 5 seconds. Yeah, hold on, 5 seconds. I don't have cooldown. 5 seconds and we're gonna full turn, okay? Keep coming west, bro. Let them inch up. Let them inch up, bro. You see your collar? Collar where I am? Keep coming west. Now get ready. Full dive in east. Engaging east in 5, in 4 on the mage. In 3, in 2, in 1. Full party again. More damage. Inch up, bro. More damage. Good job. Now go back. Defensives and go back. Keep going back. Heals. Keep healing, bro. Keep healing. Good job. Keep healing. Dropping Judy on top of me. Keep taking Judy and go.
Help me. Heal me.
Yo, what the hell? Keep going back. Tomato died, right? Keep coming down.
Sushi died.
Okay, Sushi died. Damn, bro, that was a PvE damage. Just keep coming down. Leash the mage. And get ready east again. Gonna go from southwest now. Southwest to northeast. Get ready. Engages up. Qs and Ws on this one guy. Qs and Ws on me. And get ready. Looking northeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. Now go back. Don't wait. Go back. Keep going back. Don't wait. Go. Keep going back. Don't wait. Keep going back. Keep going back. Come down. Tell me your cooldown. Reset everything, bro. Reset. Tell me your cooldowns. 7 seconds. Okay, fine. They are not inching up, bro. They are scared.
6 minutes, by the way.
Okay, fine.
Just engage on this.
You need to, bro. Like, can you go southeast, mount up?
I'm gonna fake, okay? Don't engage. I'm gonna fake.
They will be halal. They will get.
Fine. This is fake.
We need to double OC.
Okay, everybody double OC right now. Double OC. That's a good call. Double OC. Get ready. Looking on the mage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the mage. Go back. Fuck, I got blocked. Keep coming back. Defensive. People are caught. Defenses on the people who are caught. Keep coming down. Dropping Judy. Come down the stairs. Tell me your cooldown, bro. Fast. Tell me your cooldown.
5
Engage is up.
seconds.
Okay, 5 seconds. We're gonna engage big.
Ready.
Okay, get ready. Looking up northwest. Keep coming up northeast. Keep stopping them. Get ready. Looking northeast on top. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Full wipe them, bro. More damage. Now go back. It's fine. Go back. They have demons. Keep going back. Use your defensives and keep going back. Keep coming down. Heal cold monk. Heal cold monk, bro. Heal cold. Okay, good job. Heal Del's Gate. Keep coming down. Down. And get ready to turn east. Get ready. Looking east. Engaging east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top me. At least kill these two and go down. Go down again. Do shallow and go down. Keep going down. You see this one guy? Okay, keep coming down. Down and reset. Tell me your cooldown. Reset on Mega. Keep resetting. How much time we have? 5 minutes. How much on the mage? Okay, half health. Keep coming east. I'm gonna fake, okay? Don't engage. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, this is fake. Now try to act. Keep going down. Okay, fine. Keep going down. It's fine. Keep going down. Keep going down. Find me. Keep going down. These are shitters, bro. Don't worry.
Anyone to idea?
Keep, get ready. I'm looking east. East on top me in 5. Hold. Yo, reset. Heal me. Yo, come down everybody and reset. Come down, dropping Judy. Reset on Judy. Reset in Judy. Take Oath Keeper. Okay, reset. Yo,
Halal, can you push
just
that?
Healer died.
come back. Defensive.
Yeah, this one to be
Healer
died.
died?
Yeah, speed toggle died.
Okay, fine. We didn't come, bro. Yeah, it's fine. Where? South, right? Come down. Everybody come down.
East.
Okay, fine. Come down. It's fine. Keep coming down.
Give me time, Halal. Can you
Get
engage?
ready. I'm looking northeast. Come down. Rotate and keep coming up northeast. Engage northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Big clump. More damage. Keep going down now. Go down. Heals and keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going. Defensive, bro. Keep healing players. Dropping Judy. Keep coming down. Good job. Keep coming down.
Yeah, wait,
Dropping
put
Judy.
Reaper down.
Reset. There's Judy. Reset. Bro, we can't do this. We have to do shallows now. Okay? You look at this one D tank. You see northeast? Okay. Come down, bro. First of all, leash the mage. Who's on the mage, bro? Del's Gate, please leash. Come down. Get ready. I'm looking. Qs and Ws on the battleground. Qs and Ws. Get ready. On the mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just drop damage on the mage. Drop damage. No damage. Now go back. Don't wait. Don't wait. Go back. See Magnum, bro. Don't inch up. Go back. Just do shallows.
Help me. I'm getting pulled in.
Yo, help Ember.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's good. Come down, bro. Guys, come down. Help us, OP. Come down. Reset. Tell me your cooldown.
Bro,
Wait a second. Okay. Get ready again on the mage. On the mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage, big clump. Big clump. More damage. Good job. Somebody's missing. Keep going down. They're gonna engage. Dropping Judy. Judy's dropped. Defensive. Heals. Keep healing. There's Judy. Keep healing. There's Judy. Yeah, it's fine. Keep going down. Get ready. Shallow on top of me. Your engage is up.
Yep.
No.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Hold. Okay, hold. We have to do shallows, bro. I'm gonna fake, okay? I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Watch out, this is fake. You heal on me, heals on me, please. Heals. Your weapon broke. How much time?
Yeah, bro.
Just hold.
What 2 minutes of a break?
Get ready on the mage in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on the mage. Now go back. Oh, somebody's missing bad. Go back. Come down. Keep coming down. Help the players in. Dropping Judy. Keep healing in the Judy and keep coming down. Tell me your cooldown, bro. Qs and Ws on this D tank, bro. Qs and Ws on the D tank. Keep coming down. Get ready. Looking up east in 5, east in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. Kill this two at least, bro. Go back again. Bro, we have 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes. Yeah, just hold over here. Hold. Yeah, exactly. Hold. We need to clap big, bro. Come south. Find me south.
अबे तो साउथ ईस्ट से नॉर्थ ईस्ट में वो क्लैप क्यों नहीं कर लेता नॉर्थ वेस्ट पे साउथ ईस्ट से जाके उधर से भाई
Just stay here. Okay, come. Find me south. Keep coming with me. Find me, bro. I'm going southeast, okay? Look at me southeast. Bro. Everybody look at me southeast. Cold Monk, we are way away. Okay? It's fine. Defensive and come up. Keep coming up. Get ready. Big engage northeast. Big engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Full party, bro. That's the fucking big engage, bro. More damage. Now go back down. It's fine. Go back down. I know. It's fine. Go back down. We can't atom. Help yourself, bro. Keep going down. Down. Everybody down and fine. Down and
Atom is
fine.
down.
Okay, it's fine. You go to Atom, bro. He's near us, no? Just protect Atom. Stay over here. Get ready. I'm gonna shallow northeast. Just hold over here. Just hold. They're gonna look for an engage, okay? Over here. Get ready. Shallow on top of me very soon. Just hold over here. Just hold.
Their whole tank is southeast. Their 2 tanks are southeast.
Bro, it's fine. Just stay here. Get ready. I'm gonna look east. On Atom in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on Atom. More damage. Kill them. Okay, fine. Let's go back. The mobs will have more damage now. Keep going back down. Keep coming down. Defenses while you're going. Kite together, please. Help ZX. Yo, watch out. Help your front line. Keep going down and get ready. I'm gonna look on the choke. Get ready. Looking on the choke in 5, in 4, on the choke in 3, in 2, in 1. Fucking big clump. Just wipe them and keep going back. 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 Listen, we're going east now. Northeast now. Northeast now. Qs and Ws on this one retarded there. Qs and Ws. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. You're north, bro. North, northeast, northeast, bro. You're going northwest. Northeast. Stay with me. Stay with me. It's fine. Stay with me. Gonna fucking wipe them over here. Just stay with me. Help Zizex. He'll Venom. You get ready. Keep going up north. Keep going up north. It's all good. Keep going up north. Qs and Ws on the battle mount. Keep going up north. Keep resetting. Keep resetting. Qs and Ws on people while you are going away. Keep going up. Keep going up. We're gonna pull them to a choke. Keep going up. Get ready. This choke I'm gonna look. Just keep going up. It's fine. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up and get ready to engage. Get ready to engage on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top of me. Engage on top of me. Just engage with whatever you have and keep going back. 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 Bro, guys, keep kiting, bro. Keep kiting. Hello, all might and all. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. It's fine. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. Keep kiting. Now, hold on me. Hold on me. Hold on me. Hold on me. Get ready. Stand on top of me on this one. Bedrock. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on me. Engage on me. Engage on me. Kill this one guy. Now keep going back. Now keep going back. 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 Keep going back north. Keep going back north. Keep going back north. Keep going back north. Okay.
Connection.
Listen. Find me. Find me.
Heal front line. Heal front.
Heal front line. Help your front line. Help friendly. It's fine. Keep going up north. Keep going up north. Help P-Talk. Stay with the party. Stay with the party.
Just withdraw more OC from the guild, bro.
Yeah, listen. Cross the bridge and get ready. Look back on the bridge. Okay, keep going. Cross the bridge. Hold them on the bridge now. Hold them on the bridge. Cross the bridge. Get ready. Looking on the bridge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on the bridge. Just drop on the damage on the bridge. More damage. Almost. Now go back. Good job. We got 2 kills. Keep going back. North now. North, bro. Northwest. Go north. Just go north. Northwest, bro. Keep going north. You look at me. Keep going. Keep walking. Keep walking. We have 3 healers. I'm dropping Judy. Keep going back. You use your Judy. Keep healing in the Judy and keep going east. Keep going east. Qs and Ws while you're going. Get ready to turn on. Engage on me in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Kill them and keep going east again. It's fine. Keep going east. You see that one guy who's low. Keep going east. It's good. You guys are kiting good. Now hold over here. Get ready to turn west. Get ready. 5 seconds. I'm gonna look west. Qs and Ws. Now they're gonna full retreat. Just hold. Don't dive in. Just hold. Call is to hold. Just look at me now. Look at me. Keep going west. Keep going west. Hold them on the choke. Everybody hold them on the choke. Ashish, try to hold them on the choke. Keep coming up. Get ready. Looking southwest in 5, in 4, in 3 on the choke. In 2, in 1. Big clump. Just kill this. I'll pass through. Yeah,
Guys,
come back. Keep going back. Oh, sorry. Keep going back.
This guy.
Peter.
Kill him. This fucking guy. He one-shot me earlier. Motherfucker.
Zakia?
This one. The fucking dagger pair T6, bro.
Okay. Yeah, just kill him. Mega kill him. Yo, keep coming east, guys. Keep coming east.
मैं तो 980 IP में survive कर रहा हूँ.
Keep coming east.
Enemies are 3 screens away from you, bye.
I know, bro. I can't. I have to stay with my party. Just find me and stay together. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna look south. You're gonna hold them on the choke, okay? It's fun, bro.
Yo, Fanta, मुझे inspect करना.
Yo, find me, bro. Find me. Are you guys able to find me? Just keep following me. Whoa, half of my party is way back. Why are you guys over there?
Yeah.
Stay over here. Regroup. It's fine. Just stay over here. Damn, bro. They have.
hold
Hold. Get ready. I'm looking west on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just kill this farmer. Go back. Keep coming east now. Keep coming east. They're turning. Keep coming east. It's good. Keep coming east.